Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well, happy, and practicing English daily. So, guys, as you all know, I am Shalini and I am from Bihar and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence. So, guys, my videos have been late lately, so sorry about that. I have been keeping up with my English practice, but I have not had much time to post or upload on YouTube because exams coming up and I have had to focus on those too, so I have been a bit short on time. Okay, but don't worry guys, I will try to upload videos regularly from now on. Okay, and today I have chosen a topic to practice English: the benefits of exercise. This is my topic, the benefits of exercise. Okay, so I will be speaking some sentences in English on this topic and I would like you to practice along with me. Okay, you just have to listen my this video to understand. So please watch till the end and listen to how I explain the topic. Okay, so guys, this is for all of you. Okay, so yeah, the topic is the benefits of exercise. So let's start. So guys, exercise is one of the best things we can do to keep our bodies and minds healthy. When we exercise, our muscles and bones grow stronger. It makes us feel energetic and helps us stay active all day. Some activities like running, jumping, or cycling make our heart stronger and improve blood circulation. And exercise is not just good for our body but also for our mind. It helps us feel happy and reduce stress. Like, for example, after playing a game of football, we often feel relaxed and joyful, right? So, guys, it also improves our memory and helps us do better in school, college, and in work, right? So, guys, playing outside with friends is a fun way to exercise because it keeps us fit while we enjoy games like tag or hide and seek, and there are many games, right? So regular exercise also strengthens our immune system and protecting us, it protects us from illness. So yeah, exercise teaches us discipline, like waking up early to go for a walk or sticking to a sports practice schedule helps sports practice schedule helps build good habits. So these habits make us more confident and healthy individuals. So yeah, let's make exercise a daily habit because it is fun, it keeps us healthy and helps us grow strong and happy. So guys, that's it. This was a short video where I took a topic and explained it. So it was for all of you so you can understand English better. I try my best to make English easy, fun, and entertaining for you all. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I hope you learned something from this video. So, guys, I was just wondering here and there, so I thought why not choose a topic and start explaining it. So yeah, this is all guys. So thank you so much for joining me, and keep speaking, keep learning, keep improving, and yeah, you can speak English. Okay, so don't give up and just start speaking today and make it your habit, and you can speak English. Okay, so thank you so much and all the best. Bye. See you.